I love the look, I love the look, I love the look. No, I'm not come back when you score. I'm not come back when you score. I'm not come back when you score. I'm not score at once. Now come back when you score,
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yes, happening right now. Brazil. What are you saying, Brazil?
Yes, one Brazil. Team Brazil.
You go to find?
No, you're mad,
No, Brazil.
No, you're Netherlands, you're mad.
Oh, in China, man. Yeah.
Today and Tuesday, I go feel like World Cup day. Cause guess what now? Because today Brazil started off, and then now Argentina now I go continent.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, today and tomorrow I feel like World Cup.
Yeah. Whoa.
You see? Definitely.
Brazil is it too?
No, it's straight Italian.
Yeah.
Yeah, me just watch people bring on the Brazilian flag, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so Mama Netherlands, no.
Mama Netherlands.
Yeah.
Mama you too. So the Brazil fans them say it's another Brazil fan out there as well too. Where you say the stadium full around there?
Yeah, man.
You go go on.
Come around there.
We go on, we'll leave coverage around here so. So guys, so right now Jamaica is hot because World Cup is going on, so I'm checking in on all the fans them to see how they carrying on. So we're gonna go on the local spots them, everyone that's watching football right here now. You see, you must have your face.
That's a big special party.
P and Neymar in there. P and Neymar there. When Neymar? Neymar,
Neymar, go man.
Sound the pot. Me I go on. Sound the pot.
One Brazilian. Not for that.
Yeah. Sound the pot. Who you come? Vava Voom. Alright. Yo, I made the Vava Voom now, man. Alright. Sound the Vava Voom, man. Wait them up. Hot. Right now, you know, Jamaica is something else when it comes on to sports, you know. Come on, them sound the alarm. So I go on up.
Yeah man, look, see the Brazil fans up there.
Yeah, see them out.
Yeah man, Brazil fans
all the pot cover around there.
Come around there, don't you know?
Yeah.
Tell us around there.
Next 4 year Italian player. Next 4 year Italian player.
Yeah. Circle Pinedo and say.
Worship like you, that's a
Yeah. Whoa, Italian spikes, you know.
next 4 year Italian player.
Let me see what Pinedo mini stadium is going on with over here. Hey, one thing, you know, you see, so when Brazil scores, this place is going to come alive, you know. All right, so we have the Pinedo mini stadium over here. We're in the Pinedo Stadium. Yeah. We're in the Pinedo mini stadium.
For big stadium, you know?
Yes, Pinedo Stadium. Still nil on the screen right now.
Look a mini stadium, man. You see me, and a big stadium. Mini.
So when Jamaica
Cool. Man.
tell about Morocco, you know.
Man, genius.
Tell about Morocco, you know.
That genius, man. Gold plated.
Gold plated.
Gold plated that, man.
Hey. Listen, I say, if Morocco score, this is the quietest you will hear Trench Town. Let Brazil. Oh, go on. Alright, so who you bring? Brazil too. Come like the whole Jamaica bring Brazil. Yeah.
The favorite World Cup without.
Yeah.
But fight, table fight at all, because Morocco the ramp, you know. Simple.
Yeah. I tell them so don't play, don't take Morocco light, you know. Guys, we can guarantee until they say if a goal score, if Brazil score a goal, the whole place turn up. Look at Brazil fans them. The Brazil fans them is out. We have a flag over here, Joe. Hey, get them to that. Look who are going at the mini stadium over here. Argentina.
Yes.
Every time. Fine, brush up your yourself.
Judy Riyadh. Push all week. It's going to still work out. Brazil can go the other way now. Rafinha. Samira. Marquinhos. Akeynote. Ibanez.
We are commentating Trench Town. Yeah. Because World Cup start, them say once Brazil start to play, World Cup just start today. So you see, because it's not me and Woshev team. Come in, wow. So it's just because it's not me and Woshev team. Me and Woshev can go and walk and commentate. See what I go on, you know? Check in on the Brazilians them. Come here, wow. Yeah. Brazil. See the guys, the whole Trench Town of Brazil. How that becomes that? I don't know. Whoa, is Brazil gonna win today?
Yes.
What's the score?
3-0.
3-0. That as they sound high. Them really take Morocco for a joke, you know. Them really take Morocco for a. Don't play with the African team, you know. So we step over from the next street. So go on. It look like our wizard life, so. No football now player, so. One Brazil fans over there. Mila there? All the TVs them are out. One more TV on the corner. Brazil them say, but your Morocco go upset them today. Look how my granny. Yeah, yo man. Action look live. Wow, big stadium around here, so. Find another stadium, guys. So we're searching for all the mini stadium them here in Jamaica, here in Trench Town.
That is a golden opportunity. So the thinking of a quarter of an hour in, Morocco have had the bulk of the ball, Brazil have had the golden chance.
Yeah, watch Brazil fans them. I hope them not cry today, you know. I hope them not cry today. I hope them not cry today.
Santos.
What's the score going to be today?
Brazil 4, America 0.
What you say?
Brazil 2.
Brazil 2 love. What you say Brazil have win by? Alright. Come back for the start phase then now. Mason Brazil and wrong jersey area.
This was the Vinicius Junior class. It's a dream for centre forward. Well, that fellow in the middle probably would have gone with it.
Come here, we are head over so. Guys, everywhere you look, TV is out. How in there? Short in there. One more Brazil corner. Yo, sound the pot, sound the pot, sound the cover, sound the cover, sound the cover, sound the cover, sound the cover. One more corner. Yeah, sure. Boy, I hope America don't make it sad today. I hope America don't make it sad today. England, man, England, we say. Baba boom, boom. England, we say. Place is active. Come you out. Moving on. Hey, the whole community is lit right now. The whole community right now, Ed, what's trench zone to Brazil? I never believed that could happen. You know? Yeah, the excitement starts. Circle the headquarters them. Hello. Brazil as well too. You just buy that. Oh gosh. Neymar and Vinicius Jr. Yeah. Hey, right now if you want to make some money, get some Brazil wear. Send a Brazil card up there as well too. Bless up, bless up. Yeah. Hello. Hello. High five. I'm there, circle the Brazil fans them and they. Go on.
I'm there,
Hey, your son? Okay. How your face look like I know your son?
I think that's what she didn't live.
Oh, did live?
She live in America.
Oh, what America? Florida. I've been there a couple of times. We're in Florida. Okay, so the same place on Sunrise Tea. Yeah, say that tell us my house been Sunrise with the nurses them. A good try, that's a good try, a good try. Yeah, that's a good try and a goal. Say good door. Say hello to the camera so you can see yourself now. Hello. Why you not watching the World Cup? Can't bother. A goal scorer, a good try. Which team you bringing? You bring a team? Alright, good. So you don't have to feel sorry for yourself when you lose today. Yeah? Yeah, later. A goal score or a good try?
Maybe a good try.
Come, that's a good try and a goal. Guys, I'm hearing some nice, but it not sound like a goal, it sound like a good try. Go on. Cool. Oh, go on here, sir.
Yes. Yo, let me score.
I reckon that today.
You know, you're more pregnant.
Yeah, pregnant.
They're pregnant. Yeah, Joe. Good one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, catch up, yeah?
Yeah.
Come, whoa, me tell them already, you know. Oh, walk one. Oh, walk one. Brazil corner quiet now. Walk one, the Brazil corner quiet.
You can't quiet, Kina, right? You can't quiet.
Oh, walk one.
Brazil.
You know, man.
Brazil, we can't quiet.
The place gets quiet all of a sudden. Yo, I walk one. Allah, Morocco. Oh no,
Why have not beat Brazil? You don't know that.
no, sir. One love. No, I'm not coming back when the score. I'm not coming back when the score. I'm not score at score. Now come back when the score, yeah? Yo. Tak, wagwan. Yeah, wagwan. So now go win? What's the score gonna be? 2-1. Alright, I want to see that. Oh gosh. Morocco has upset the whole stadium right now. The mini stadium is being upset. No, whoa, Seth. Come. Lower yourself, man. Lower yourself. I them say two love. Wagwan. Argentina. Alright, Mr. Wagwan over here, so. Checking on the Brazil stadium. There things that right, the stadium quiet. Yeah, no, I'm flagging. You're flagging? Yes. Stadium quiet. Wagwan stadium quiet. On the stadium so quiet.
Make sure over there
have video. The stadium so quiet. Much early? No, man. How going in there? How about places? I feel sorry for the Brazil fans right now. We have to just give them a little. You have Brazil jersey you wear, so you have to defend. So, are you gonna win today? Talk to me. You're gonna win? Confident. Whoa, chef. See what you have here? What you have said?
6 red stripe product drink.
You don't want so much product. I buy my friend a drink. What you drink? Wow.
And give them one 3 grand get 6 red stripe product.
You don't want red stripe right now. What you want? Wow.
That's it?
What you want to drink?
Alright
then.
You know what matter to you
Calm and nerve.
you know where we lose our job one doesn't see.
What is score now? What is score? Alright. Neymar I go try to save for them. Everybody that we are Neymar not playing. I don't understand.
This is a long time jersey for sure. It's not just no man in Brazil.
I feel sorry for them. Guys, we not like. I feel sorry for Brazil fans, right? But nah, right.
4 more. Don't say one.
We in the stadium.
We don't feel no way.
Them not feel no way. Them not feel no way. Leave them feel that way. No. Brazil fans don't feel that way, but we feel that way. No, let me just have the time. Exactly. Nah, like, I never know the Trenchtown have so much Brazil fans. I didn't know. How much are those, please?
9 bills.
Yeah?
9 bills.
And Neymar alone play for Brazil? What's your stadium? Yes, sir. I love to see a goal score right now. I would have loved to see a goal score right now. Yeah. Come here, we see what we're going to target.
Yeah, Brazil score.
Brazil score. Here there. Brazil score. Yeah. Here the Brazil score. Mr. Excitement. Hey. Here the pot there.
Oh, what's up? Brazil score.
Go here, go guys. Yeah, the whole community come alive now. Whoa! Yeah. Yo, man. Yeah, this is Brazil's cool, but what you wanna miss the goal?
Expected to succeed. Without sneaking up on the Eagles, they're confident racing is only gaining and fighting. Here's Alicia Jr.
Go you walk around that too.
Basically, easy as far as he picks
Yeah. Since we're in Brazil, what you say? Argentina. What you say?
Long time.
You sure?
Yeah.
And I pretend you pretend?
No.
What the score now?
1-1.
Oh. Boy, you look good for Brazil at all. You don't look good for Brazil at all, you know. Let me see what I go on hours from now. Let me see. All right.
Man.
Half time.
I'm score.
Yeah, number 11.
And then in score.
Yeah, my killing man to me, I'm right for a year. But you know, you see what you do a while ago.
So it's half time in the stadium. Pinedo side 1, Morocco 1.
Stop it, yeah?
Pinedo side 1 and Morocco 1. Pinedo have no fear. Neymar come save you, I swear.
I know. Right now, I'm tell Pinedo to watch him heart rate, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a talk load a while ago.
Why, boom?
I'm gonna see a red card. Puma
I don't watch it. You know me I go see second half. Whoa.
Yeah, man.
We are go back to watch second half. Go back so excited, you know. Parim attack man. Brother over there active man. Yes, me show you a while ago.
Right, the watch match and Fred too much.
Who afraid? Can you want to?
A while ago, you see you go on a while ago, you know, long the play they make for me. I'm on a bar red card.
What you mean in a red card?
Red card.
What you mean in a red card?
A card, but in a red card.
Yeah.
So no,
What's the worst on that one?
you want to come out again.
What you mean?
Aki come out again. Now go live. Star play with Star. Man, the vitalist man.
Yeah. I say, when Morocco scored, I was over there. Brazil scored, I catch the excitement. So I go back over there.
Yeah, we'll catch you
I
excited.
get them report right now because the master will come when Morocco scored. So we have to go get back and tell what I want. Big touch. Blow the whistle, no? Blow the whistle, man. Who you bringing, Brazil? Eh? No, not yet. No, not yet.
I mean that yet.
I'm gonna be.
No,
I'll be kind of busy.
July to August.
Yeah, I'll be kind of busy. Probably in August. Let me see. Run it till August. Yeah.
Fire.
Come back over the corner, yourself. Match start walking now. We missed the goal.
Oh, you missed it.
We missed the goal. What $100 million. Yes, Jojo.
When the next one score, you come back.
Yeah, no, I make sure stay and save goal like a score. Let me make sure stay and save goal like a score.
100.
Yes, Jojo.
Yeah, no, I missed the Brazil goal. Missed the Brazil goal. Missed the Brazil goal. Alright, let me see if we can score again then.
How could we be
I will catch back the Brazil goal, like I'm missing, I will catch it back.
Jump up now.
Brazil are good then.
No one does it, no one them win. What is draw?
No, come on, come score for Brazil. Cunha.
Yeah, Cunha, I'm going to come out and score. I kill a forward and nothing.
Yeah, the amount of time they are refresh and can't see nothing and score. Yeah, when they are refreshed because you know I've been TV is a bit slower and the phone is quicker, so keep refreshing. Hoping there's a goal. Brazil fans, hoping there's a goal, boy. I can feel the tension here, boy. Tension is rising. Cunha, come on, come score still. Give it the win. Score and look it from anywhere. Yeah.
Start Thiago now, bro. Brother, I still got the biggest side now, you know. And then now, show me how they do it. There, man.
There, watch where I go on. Mr. Gold. Stop that, yo. Go on. Eh? Courtney. Tell me on my face. A long time, man, that's why.
Hey, Levi!
So Cunha there come on. Trouble now. Trouble.
Get done with. Brazil play fast back. Play them stick to them kick.
Cinema bring on Konya.
Yeah, man, Tia have to come off long time. In the week, you have gone on enough. Man, them now.
There's no Neymar hope. Neymar is injured. We are depending on Konya now. I've been. Boy, it don't look like Brazil is scoring any more goals right now because trust me, the stadium is quiet. Everyone biting their nails. You see one nails bite right off. Only skin are sure. Pure biting nails are going. You know, I never know a trench run of so much Brazilian fans. So much. You know, listen. The stadium is tense. Both sides of the stadium is tense. Both over the eastern. Easterns and westerns. East and westerns them quiet. Stadium quiet, hold on. The eastern and the western quiet. What go on? Come here. Eastern and western quiet. What go on, Brazil? Soon. It's getting dark. Brazil got a draw. Oh boy. The guys, you know the thing goes. Fans them left disappointed.
When I both still go on, good. Never know.
Where you say? Where you say? The fans them left disappointed. Next match, yeah? Next match. Next match. Next match. Brazil left disappointed. The fans them left disappointed.
No, them not enough, man. When you call them,
you see me a wave to you. And the fans them left disappointed. Hush, nobody crying. Nobody crying. Nobody crying. Good try.
This is the last ball game there.
Annie. What go on? Hush.
We don't lose.
No lose.
And we don't lose, we're fine. And all if we lose, we're still fine.
Yeah, is it? No,
Yeah.
if you lose it, not fine at
No,
all.
we're fine. We're fine because it look like Akeynote and the friend them up over your power side. No. All of them intro.
No, we don't work that. Hush, because you know, I never know the Trenton have so much Brazilian fans.
Yeah.
It's quite surprising.
And if Brazil in a World Cup, World Cup not nice.
So we're not, boy, I've got to do better. You see this guys? Original crab. Giant. Crab they are boat. But at least we don't have crab to celebrate.
Yeah. Yeah.
At least we don't have crab. Alright then later, yeah?
Alright, yeah.
We have crab to celebrate.
Get a knife.
Good man, what go on today? Regular beach there. Man, give them a look in, you know? Stay up on the black again, man. I like the look, I like the look. Yeah. New settings. Gentlemen. Yeah. Guys, you see this? You wouldn't believe that this is a literally transformed like this from how it was. I wonder if we can really go and dig up the footage. You know? So this is the Gentleman's Beach Club. So, in here active every night or just on the weekend or a special occasion?
People book it to for wedding reception.
Okay, people book it.
You know, the reservation and if rain is falling and everything,
Yeah.
you can transport them to the land, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a finger food here, you know.
Okay, kitchen here, beautiful. Beautiful, man.
Experience of the beach land.
Yeah. Come like we definitely have to come experience this.
Yes.
You know? Definitely, I like the look. So it's available for rental or anything.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So when you rent it, you get the kitchen to use and everything.
We do functions in terms of provide food for people, you know.
Yeah.
Catering service, you know. So you can book it and we still do your catering fee right along here. Also, you know, for any form of private parties, available for that also, you know. But it's a way away from the way. When I say that, I mean that sometimes it get very windy around here.
Yeah, as you can see.
And even rain. So any occasion we have, this is the contingency plan, the backup we would call it, or the front up.
Yeah.
I don't like the backup, the front
up plan.
Plan for anything that, you know, can be done beyond the ordinary. So it's like, we call it now a beach experience, you know. VIP experience by Copa Beach Lounge, same Portmore Harbour, you know, one family. You know, so it's a place to be.
And I feel the vibration is a great spot, you know. And as I say, I like the way you bring back the energy. Yeah. Because as you can see, it really take a tour because one time people know Port Henderson, it was crash out.
Yeah.
And you definitely bring back that vibe and that energy, which is needed, especially here in Portmore. Right. You know, because everyone was talking about Elcha, but them always forgot said there was Port Henderson also was the foundation spot.
Yeah, man, we have some nice, beautiful chairs here for those who want to have VIP feeling.
Yeah, get the
sit back and relax and watch all the TV.
Yeah, it's a nice setting, man. So like our World Cup I go on there, you know, so that would be kicking right now.
Right here,
and should be on, up and running.
Yeah, you know.
And the bar go and run. But I like the look, you know. From where it's coming from to where it is. I have to tell you.
Still have a way to go.
Still have to big you up. You know, because you put in the work.
Family,
you know, people might see the glitter right now and know say it's coming from far away.
Yeah, man, which is right.
You know, it's coming from far away, guys. I mean, not like, you might see that glitter now, but trust me, it's coming from far away with this to bring it to where it is right now. Yeah, trust me. Man put in the work. So that's why sometimes when you see people in life achieve what them achieve, you don't know where it's coming from. You know, there's always a story behind everyone's journey. You know, there's always a story, and this man have a story. And I can tell you, I see where it was and how it is, especially this building, you know, and see how it is now. Yeah. I'm gonna say, feel free to come over and link up that bar a lot. If you feel like you want to do a function at the workplace for yourself, see you here. And you have the beach on the outside here. Nice. Nice. Yeah.
Are going to be the same, you know?
These are going to be the same.
Yeah, in terms of because we're going up soon.
Yeah.
You know? There's going to be some gift quarters, you know?
Yes. I windy over here, guys, so I'm going to put on the. So I just turn on the wind cancellation. So I just turn on the wind cancellation, so you might hear it a bit different. So the place is very windy. Blowing away. Yeah. So you have a tube out there as well too.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you getting these beds?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
These are big beds for the patrons, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Make sure that they are comfortable when they are here, you know?
Of course, of course. I love the look, I love the look, I love the look. Definitely for sure, I love the look. Go out that side and then show them where I'm going. So guys, so you have the beach bed there. Them say Portmore Harbour Beach is the place to reach. You know? Bit rough.
When the rain fall, river gullies bring down the whole of them things have to know, you know? So you have to have someone that work and suggest along the front. Yeah, make sure it's clean. Well, those are floating beds, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody get on the beach, run up and down now.
Oh, you newly put up that as well too?
Yeah,
that's the beach bar.
yeah, that's not fountain, you know, tell. Jelly coconut and things like that, you know?
All of the jelly coconut and them stuff.
Family beach, you understand the community beach. It's an Earth beach, you and Earth beach.
This is my family, you know?
Beach club.
Dada.
The ladies paradise and the kids. The kids.
Part of the organization, you know? Big son, you know?
Yeah. Big up man, big up yourself.
Where you're going with, you know?
Yeah. So where you going with here?
Alright. Right, that's a little tiki bar, you know?
Tiki bar.
Get us some popcorn and things for the kids them and
Yeah.
you know them little things there. A little thing for everybody. You know them kind of way. I know how Grammy has said to the world.
Alright, see that man.
Yeah, I hope blessed, yeah?
Yes sir.
Alright.
Everybody together, put it up to grind.
Yeah.
Everybody bring it up.
Get the chicken wrap. Little burger, little hot dog.
Everything, veg salad.
If you want the fish now, you go up. You got the bar.
Yeah.
So you get the whole of the fish and Captain Jack Sparrow.
Yeah.
One from the front, one on the back.
Alright. Great this man. Wow.
Somebody paradise. Somebody paradise. This is treatment boys and girls. This is Irish Warlight. This is football out of the see us right
Let him know you're the Jacko and your son and who.
Jacko, so make him know what here, sir. And the son this.
Yeah, and the real man this.
And the daddy.
No, that is just a lay the foundation for you, know.
Okay, which is right. And I like the look. So wait over here, cook on them stuff.
Yeah, man. Captain Jack seafood, you know. From crab to seafood, boy, to shrimp, to any kind of fish. Done the Captain Jack way.
And the junior captain.
Business and social media aspect.
Okay. See there. I don't know whether I go and run through or go and get a quick highlight. You know, the thing was ready. So we have this year, whenever the people them come, they must have to pick up Captain Jack, the specialist for the seafood. And that's the truth. So, alright guys, so I left Portmore Harbour Beach. I just left Portmore Harbour Beach, so now I'm at Elcha, where I'm gonna get myself one of those nice Elcha fried fish, seeing the beach, you know, just getting the relaxation over here, you know, relax for a bit, and then I will head back home after. So that is my plan now, to get something to eat. Well, over here is packed with cars. Over here is packed with cars. It's a busy day today, you know. Very busy. You know, it's Sunday, so people just come out. So you know it's Sunday, so people just come out. And some don't bother to cook. Some just come out to come eat. You know, that's what Elcha. Elcha becomes a spot where you can come and have something nice, seafood over here. That's what Elcha becomes. So look at this, cluster parking everywhere. Cluster parking everywhere. So it's good to I park all the way around here from early. A food will come look. Yeah. How you do so far? Food will come look too. Oh. It's good plum. Guys, see.
Watching this is
Ever vlog. Guys, see aunt here, come go the plum. You see I beat the man over there. Like the music video. Tell them about the music video.
Yeah, I have a new song called Him Coop.
Yeah.
The 90s classic day, but I do my local refix.
Yeah.
We have a video out.
Go on.
Beat that bed, so they need to watch it.
Yeah, go check it out. And go to Plum Vevo. Yo, she beat the man wicked because she caught him cheating. You know, she cuff him. You know, but trust me, it's nice to watch. It's very funny, so you like it as well too. You know, it's trending. So go and run it up some more, guys. Go and go to Plum Vevo. Wait now. So this is Auntie release for our one, you know, I'm gonna release mine soon for an Akeynote Vevo. So we have to do a collaboration.
Entirely.
Oh, we have to do a collaboration. I'm gonna burn them out like newspaper, watch. You know? Alright guys, so that's my aunt, my mom's sister. You know? We're family big, you know. We scatter all about, but the family big. So go and check out her music video, you know. Check out Goody Plum Vevo. Goody Plum, like Jew Plum and Goody. Put them together and you saw her go. Well, I'm not even lying. Over here is really packed today, you know. And I wonder how long it's gonna take me to get my food, since I haven't ate nothing as yet, you know. So imagine the wait what I'm gonna wait to get my food, you know. And over here is loaded. Look at cars and everything is out. The place is packed. First time I've been over here and it's like this. First ever.
Come my friend, what should I block here? Good friend.
So guys, I'm back at Pelisha Seafood. Check in on so I go on. So guys, check out what I go on in the kitchen. Alright guys, so I finish eat, I am full, I am give thanks.
Let's open up my gym.
Yeah man, big up man, you know the thing go. Big up yourself, you know.
I know man, big up on the up.
Yeah.
One Pressure Seafood Restaurant, you hear that? Come test it man, right flavor, everything.
Yeah, everything up. Everything up, so let's come test it, yeah? Chef.
Hold me G.
Big up, yeah? Yes guys, so come and test it. Trust me, I feel good. My belly is full. I am up, I am running. So we give thanks, blessed love. You know the thing, dream team, one team is nothing but the only real team. You know, blessed love. Peace. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyrie Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.